What's up everybody, welcome to my new video. Today we have uh, a little bit of a different tutorial. It's a whole different tutorial, but this time instead of reading circles for the image reading, I want to read just things, and I'm trying out a different one. So we have TensorFlow right here, TensorFlow JS, as opposed to the one that I was using before was OpenCV. So let's go ahead and they have like this preset, thing here. So we'll just go ahead and follow it. So machine learning buzzword. Let's see, what do we have to know here? Prerequisites, experienced engineers. I have some experience, but haven't really built anything on my own like that. Create a web page. Okay. So this is exactly what we're going to be doing. So create a web page that uses machine learning directly in the web browser via TensorFlow JS to classify and detect common objects. Yes, more than one at a time from a live webcam. Cool. Now I don't know if I'll be uploading this directly to my website, but we'll see. Supercharge your regular webcam to identify objects and the coordinates of the bounding box. Alright, so let's go ahead and move forward. So TensorFlow JS, open source machine learning library. That's what I need. I don't know, I'm sure TensorFlow has some sort of a library where I don't know, like for different objects, but it's based upon the original TensorFlow library written in Python. Yeah, that's when I first heard about it. It was TensorFlow Python. This was back in like 2019 or so. And then they made it into JavaScript. So we have client side in the web browser, server side, desktop apps, using Electron. I think that's something like React, but a different one. Oh, and React too. You gotta read it fully, huh, before you say something. WebGL execution, GPU, CPU execution, client-side superpowers, privacy, cost, no servers means the only thing you need to pay for is a CDN to host your HTML, CSS, and JS and model files. The cost of a CDN is much cheaper than keeping a server. A CDN. A CDN, isn't that just a link? I need to learn more about that. Speed, Raspberry Pi. What is that, Internet of Things? Oh, you could use it on... I didn't know that. Alright, so pre-trained models. TensorFlow provides a variety of pre-trained models. So this is kind of what I needed. Like a pre-trained, like objects, person, fruits, animals. Not needing to gather training data yourself because I don't know how to at the moment. I will learn eventually, but right now it's not the time. Coco. So what is that? A dog? Bounding box of objects. It's a nice dog. It's a nice little dog right there. Okay, where did the name come from? Coco refers to the face, a trained, common objects in context. We're just kind of briefing through it. I did open up a little tab here. TensorFlow models, image classification, object detection. So we got vision, analyze images and videos. What else we got? Body. So simple face detection. We got face landmark, pose, body, hand pose, portrait, text. Oh, that's nice. Universal sentence decoder or encoder, audio. Oh, they got a lot. Got a pretty big library. I imagine that the Python library is even bigger, because that's the original one. Yo, I accidentally closed out of the. But we're back. Okay. Get set up. What you'll need a modern browser, basic knowledge, HTML, and such. Boilerplate template. You can simply clone either template as your base for this code lab, or just one click on glitch, click the remixes or code pen. So let's script. Okay, let's create a little template. So let's do. We have index. We don't need OpenCV anymore. Officially deleting it. I can just download it later if I needed it. We have our style. We don't have a script. I like this one. We gotta use a separate JS file. I like using separate JS files. It makes more sense. Okay, let's go ahead and just kind of delete this, and then we're gonna delete this one as well. All this. That's it. That's all we got. So right here in the index, for your convenience, there's an added import in the HTML file for the TensorFlow JS library. It looks like this. Import. So that's the CDN. Okay, let's look at the code pen, the template. So this is the template right here. This is what we're gonna start with. CSS. Okay, let's go ahead and do that real quick. So the TensorFlow is already on here. We're gonna add a little bit of some CSS. And lastly, oh, I didn't think there was gonna be anything on here, but there is. Alright, and here we have the TensorFlow awaiting TensorFlow JS load. I don't know that. Is it loading or is it not? Even though there might be a newer TensorFlow version, because this was updated, I think 2021. So it's been about 2 years. It should still work though, because that's how it has it here. Style CSS script. Actually, let me take that off. Script. Is that what I have it? Script.js. Style sheet. And that should be it. Alright, let's see if it loads up now. There it is. Oh, does it load from here? TF. Oh, okay. It works. Alright, well, let's get started on it. Let's move on. Let's see this part here. Index HTML for your convenience. It might be the exact same one that's already on here. .NET, npm, TensorFlow. This one doesn't have a version on here. Should we remove the version so that it could just get the latest one? Let's try that out. If not, I'll change it back to how it was. Dist tf-min and then type. I'm gonna try it out without the version number and see. It most likely won't be 3.11 anymore. It'd probably be, I don't know, version 4 or something. 4.6. Alright. Remove. Okay, so that's the latest version. Alternative, use your preferred web editor to work locally. Yeah, I mean you can use npm to download it, but we're not gonna do that. We're gonna follow this one right here. All prototypes require some basic HTML scaffolding, whatever that means. scaffolding. You will use this to render the output of the machine learning model. Okay, that's not loading. A title for the page, some descriptive text, a button to enable the webcam, a video tag to render the webcam stream. To set up these features, open up index.html. Alright. So, here we have it. And we start off at the very top. Get some practicing, some typing practicing. I don't think I'm gonna be able to finish this in one video. It's quite some typing, and I don't want to just run through it because on the past tutorial with OpenCV, I was kind of missing some letters. So I'm gonna take it a little bit easier this time. Detection. I'll finish head up to here, just this one, and then we'll leave the body for some other time. Using pre-trained model in TensorFlow. That's the title, meta, and link. That's it. So, okay, so we don't need this. Import. Okay, apparently we don't need this or this. Just this here. Alright, so that's it. Just doing the head tag. That's gonna be it for today. Thank you guys for watching. You have a good ass day. Peace out.